Hey everyone, did you know that over 1 billion people use Instagram every month? That's a crazy number, right? Now let's talk about the struggles we all face when trying to grow our Instagram following. It can feel like you're posting great content, but if no one is engaging with it, it's disheartening. First off, let's talk about optimizing your profile. Make sure your bio is catchy and tells people what you're all about. Use a clear profile picture that represents you or your brand. Next up, hashtags. Using the right hashtags can significantly increase your visibility. Research trending hashtags in your niche and don't be afraid to mix them up. And lastly, focus on posting engaging content. Think about what your audience loves to see, whether it's stunning visuals, relatable stories, or valuable tips. The more engaging your content, the more likely it is to be shared, which leads to more followers. Now here's the big moment. The most impactful tip I can give you is to leverage Instagram stories and reels. These features are not only super popular, but also prioritized by the Instagram algorithm. When you create authentic and entertaining stories or reels, you increase your chances of being discovered by new followers. Plus, it helps keep your current followers engaged. Did you know that accounts that use reels see 22% more engagement? To wrap it all up, we've covered some key strategies today. Optimizing your profile, using hashtags effectively, posting engaging content, and leveraging stories and reels. With the right approach, you can see rapid growth on Instagram and really start to make your mark. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips on growing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.